What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. So was looking to replace my Volkswagen Tiguan's rear windshield wiper. Found there were no videos on YouTube. It's a pretty simple job, but I'm kind of the guy that always has to check YouTube to make sure I'm doing it right. So wanted to put together a quick little video for you guys. So here's the car. Absolutely been loving this thing. Obviously it's really dirty. I actually just washed it a couple days ago, but any of you living in the Midwest, especially in the US here in Wisconsin, you'll know that only a couple days of winter driving and it'll be like this. This is the windshield wiper, so you'll see that there is this little button here. All you have to do really is just press this down and then pull it out. It should slide out right away. So to do so, just pull it and it pops right out like that. Nice and simple. Now that the old windshield wiper has been taken out and thrown away, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna be very careful with this. As you set it down, you're not gonna want to break your windows, so be very careful. As for a replacement, what I did was I just went to my local Volkswagen store and I picked this one up. This was, I believe, 16 bucks. With tax, it came out to 17 and some change, so good deal. And I, honestly prefer the Volkswagen windshield wipers as opposed to, like a Michelin or a Bosch, whatever it's called, or a Rain-X. So 16 bucks, not too bad. We'll go ahead, take this out and pop it right in. Pop that out like this, and you'll see that it'll just go in the exact same way that it came out. So there's these nice little rails. This will just slide right in like this, and then this little thing sticking up should pop out from there. That's kind of your release button. So I'll put my phone away because I need both hands for this. Again, you'll see how simple this is. We just want to fit this in. You'll probably want to push this in a little bit, and then it should slide right in, and you'll hear a click. Boom. And that's it. It is now installed and ready for use. So I hope that video helped you guys out. I know there weren't many videos on YouTube. It's a fairly simple job, but if that helped you, I'd really appreciate a like, and feel free to subscribe for more Volkswagen content.